Hello, welcome to another Stage Analysis Breakout Stocks update. It's Wednesday the 15th of January, so tonight we're beginning with AOSL, which made a Stage 2A breakout 4 weeks ago on stronger than average volume. It immediately pulled back on much lower volume for 3 weeks before rebounding off the breakout level again, what's known as the B entry point in stage analysis. So it's now attempted to make an initial continuation breakout. Let's have a look down the daily. The breakout today was on just a little bit above average volume. It had a little squat candle there, so it's not made a continuation move yet. We've got a little cup and handle pattern going on here, so potential for a continuation breakout here, move into stage 2 in earnest, so definitely one to watch. Next is Brown Foreman, which is BF/B, which, as you can see, making a clear stage 2 continuation attempt. Let's quickly check down on the daily. Around average volume on the breakout attempt from another cup and handle type pattern. So, okay, next got ES Energy, which is Eversource Energy, another stage 2 continuation attempt. I believe this may have been, I had a number of stocks suggested to me today on the Stage Analysis forum and on the YouTube comments, so I've included them in the watch list tonight, the ones that I thought were the best ones, which I think most of them were pretty good. So this is ES, stage 2 continuation attempt. We've got GRWG, which Grow Generation Corp. I'm assuming it's a cannabis stock. Looks like it's getting some volume. Made a stage 2A breakout back in July last year. Looks like it's potentially ready to make its first continuation attempt. So volume's been strong this week. So that's one could go to stage 2 in earnest. ICE. Clears another stage 2 continuation attempt. So look at the daily chart for a clearer picture. So as you can see, it's been consolidating sideways for about 4 or 5 months now. So attempting to move out on slightly stronger than average volume here. We've got a close above the highs here. So it's making a stage 2 continuation attempt. JCOM. This is another one from a member on my forum. Another interesting looking stock. Volume's only around average low, but making a stage 2 continuation attempt. It's new highs here, slightly better volume there, but it's had a strong run over the last week or so. So it could need to consolidate for a little bit around this 100 level. So one to watch. LEN, another one of the home builders. We had a number of home builders over the last few days, and I think I got 3 on the list today as well. So these were flagged up in on my forum as well as from my own Watchlist scans. So definitely wanted to include them tonight because the home builders sector is definitely getting some attention. So volume last week was very strong. We've got less volume today, but as you know, with a strong sector move, it's the what we call in Stan Weinstein method is the forest to the trees approach, where you look for strong sectors. Okay, let's have a look at the daily quickly. As you can see, we've had a reasonably strong thrust up, so it's attacking the highs and got a slight close above, but it could possibly need a little bit of consolidation before continuing on. So another one to watch there. LSXMA, it's just a simple continuation attempt from a what's it called, a high and tight pattern. Looks very tight. Strong stage 2 advance after the stage 2A breakout around here. So it's had a clear move and it's attempting to make a stage 2 continuation attempt here and some stronger volume. NIO. It's a potential early move into stage 2, although it's still under resistance from its initial IPO level. So this one's a very early attempt at stage 2. It had a short squeeze like Breakout, which then pulled back below this resistance level, and it's now attempting to go straight through that again. Relative performance versus the S&P 500 is just moving in line, so this one's got potential to move into stage 2, although it's not the kind of chart I like to trade when it hasn't had when they don't have a good base. And PHM, which is Pulte Group, I believe it's another one of the home builders, attempting to make a stage 2 continuation attempt. Fairly straightforward looking chart there. Got a small move above the high, not any real volume low, so looks like it's being dragged up by the sector. Okay, next is PLG, which is a Platinum Group Metals, and you can see it's got a big stage 1 base here of a year and a half. Looks like it's this downward trending line here. We've got move above 2-ish would complete a stage 2A breakout attempt, so volume looks stronger here. So it could do with some more volume if it does get up a stage 2A breakout, but there's definitely potential there. Let's have a quick look in on the daily. As you can see, strong thrust up today from a consolidation here, so definitely got potential for a stage 2A breakout attempt. TGNA, it's a clear stage 2 continuation breakout here, not much volume, but it's closed fairly strongly after moving out from a big consolidation base up here where it moved into stage 3 for a little while, but it's made a stage 2 continuation and it's now pulled back to test it and is continuing on. So, and WLH, I believe another home builder, again following the pattern of the sector, making stage 2 continuation of breakout. I did highlight it at the weekend or later last week, but it was highlighted already, but it definitely shows that the sector's getting some attention. As I said earlier, a number of stocks in the sector getting some attention. We've got a strong close here on the daily, but no volume again, so the sector move is probably what's pulled this up. Okay, that's your lot tonight. Thanks for watching, and to see more, go to stageanalysis.net, and please leave any comments below, like with any stocks that you're watching currently that might be in stage 2 or making stage 2 continuation breakouts, or any that are consolidating near their highs already in stage 2. It's always interesting to see those, potentially to set some alerts. So, and I'll follow up on any that I think are good. So, okay, that's it for tonight.